This is Indian Skin and I am Monisha. This is Shalini.
Hello.
And we're gonna talk about brown skin versus fair skin. I sometimes feel jealous about you.
Why?
Because I feel like just being fair is everything and you get things easily.
I partially agree to that, but partially not.
Partially why you agree? Because it happens.
Yeah, it happens. But mostly as we are in 2025, we do not see happening as much as we seeing before कि shade नहीं मिल रहा, foundation shade नहीं मिल रहा, concealer shade नहीं मिल रहा. But now it's easily available, I guess. Because startups, makeup startups, cosmetic startups are making it.
Somewhat, I guess 30%, but not really. But I'm talking about the fact that you walk into a room, but just being fair gets you everything. Like, okay, she's pretty. But when a brown skin girl who walks into a room, it's like, oh, she's bold. But the thing is, just being brown and accepting herself is making her bold, not, oh, she's pretty.
Nah. Again, I do not agree.
Shalini agree किसी चीज से कर ही नहीं रही है because obviously you're a fair skin, you'll not relate.
Shut up.
When a fair girl walks in, she gets the attention and she gets the tagline that she's pretty, beautiful. And at the same point, when a brown girl walks in, it's more of like she's bold. And it's not even being fair, जो the girls who are pretty or fair, उनका fault है. It's not like that. It's how things have brought up.
That's the mindset of the people that we're telling, na?
It's fed from the start. कि अरे, being fair means you're rich. Being brown means you're poor.
If we see in Bollywood as well, they try to depict that the person who is poor, कि वो dusky skin हो उसका, and the person who is rich and everything fair.
Have you seen this अभी ये धड़कन वाला trailer है ना?
Yeah, धड़कन 2.
Yeah.
सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी.
Yeah.
उसको पूरा.
उसको ऐसे black paint कर दिया just because what they want to show him poor or.
Yeah, poor only.
Rural.
Yeah, as a rural.
Like ऐसा.
There was a serial, teleshow on Colors TV, I guess, where there was a girl, पूरा उसका they painted her पूरा brown. She was very fair, totally fair, but they painted her with a brown to make her bronzer and to make her look poor. So then a transformation. Wow, fairy.
Oh my god. So they connect brown को being poor.
हाँ,
है ना?
they connect.
They do, and it's the society. But क्या actually में गोरे होने पे सब मिल जाता है? मतलब as compared to the brown. I'm asking because you are fair.
Bro, क्या मुझे सब मिल गया? नहीं. Being fair doesn't mean you are an apsara. ठीक है? People actually look up to flawless skin. जब तक flawless skin नहीं है, तब तक तुम perfect नहीं हो. तब तक तुम्हारा वो 0R figure नहीं है. तब तक तुम perfect नहीं हो भाई. Have you ever seen Bollywood में? I have seen very rarely कि कोई brown skin actor है.
नहीं है.
कि दिखता ही नहीं है.
नहीं है. Leave Bollywood also, even in Tollywood.
Tollywood.
Tollywood तो भाई. Tollywood is a land of brown people, but it is different for men and women also. Like for men, they can cast some guy with bushes and all, motu sa and
healthy
and all, एकदम bulky सा brown guy, and he's the hero. And next to him, very prettiest girl, ऐसे बिल्कुल fair, milky white, she'll be the heroine. Like racism comes from there only.
If we mention Pushpa 2 as well, Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2 दोनों.
उसमें भी उनको brown paint किया गया था, bronzer लगा के, just to make them look like, oh my god, I belong from a rural place or something like that. So yeah, Tollywood plays a big role. मेरे को तो even in South में there are not like, if I specify also in Tamil movies, there are no Tamil actors only. Guys are there because ठीक है, men's are there who are Tamil.
Not actresses.
Actors जो होती है mostly they are not from the South industry only. Rakul used to act in the South industry before she came into the Bollywood cinema. and there are like Priyanka Chopra did her first movie in South with Vijay before she casted in I think any other Bollywood movies. Amy Jackson भाई वो तो इंडियन भी नहीं है, she's so fair. Tamanna Bhatia, she's not South, no, she's not from Tamil. उसने movies करी थी उधर.
But she's from South.
Yeah.
From where she is?
No, she's not from South only. Tamanna Bhatia is not from. She's not even a South Indian.
Where is she from?
I don't know. I have to ask her. Tamanna, let me know. Yeah, Aishwarya Rai used to do movies in Tamil, and there are other actors who did gigs in Tamil, but they're not South Indian only.
Even Taapsee Pannu. She did some
Taapsee,
movies.
yes. She did her, I think, first movie in Tamil only. Then she jumped into this Bollywood industry. So there are people who just, take fair white skin and all. And even they have songs on their name ki, something. I'll put it if I can.
जैसे?
Copyright नहीं लगना चाहिए.
नहीं जैसे?
Something
Sing some.
I just don't remember. हाँ. मतलब बिल्कुल गोरा चिट्टा होने का they have milky white songs for them.
So I come up from a family, my family is in Lucknow based, okay. तो उधर थोड़ा सा rural area है. Then people talk about like this कि family है, कैसे शादी होगी, ये है, थोड़ा सा तो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Try to दहेज, एक तो dowry system, that's another topic, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. मतलब if she's not pretty, she's not fair, she does not have any personality, then dowry ज़्यादा लगेगा. That happens.
आपके पास डिग्री नहीं है, dowry लगेगा.
डिग्री हो या ना, उसको घर पे काम करने बैठना है.
ओ
ये करते हैं. तो सब तो रूरल एरियाज ऑफ कोर्स अभी तक नहीं हुए हैं अपग्रेड.
बट स्टिल नो फिर वही आ जाता है ना, बात की एंड अप होता है कि इफ शी इज फेयर. बट इवन व्हेन आई से जब शादी की बात होती है तो गाइज हैव ओपिनियंस.
पीपल आर जजमेंटल, दे आर टू जजमेंटल कि जब तक तुम्हारा शार्प फीचर्स नहीं है, दे डू नॉट कंसिडर यू एज अ प्रिटी वुमन और प्रिटी मैन. या यू हैव प्रिटी. तो yeah, answer to that question when you are asking that if a fair person enters in a room and people consider her or him as a handsome or a pretty girl, but we consider you as a pretty only because you have a very sharp features. It's not like that. Everyone is pretty. Everyone is pretty.
Everyone is pretty in our head. It's just people who don't know. Yeah. And even do guys really think that they want a fair girl in a certain way or something like that?
We will do one workbox, Church Street, and we will ask.
Do you want fair girl?
Most of them will be answering कि they
Yes.
want a fair and beautiful girl. We are looking for a
Pink girl.
Haseen Dilruba.
But it depends on that only. From Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, the climate is different. Okay, the sun जितना टाइम के लिए जितना बाहर है, it is different. And उसके वजह से the melanin rate will be different, varies, है ना, according to that. And उसके वजह से skin का texture and skin का color depend होता है. And if you compare a Kashmiri girl to a South Indian girl, then it will like, bro, are you पागल?
Why most of us say कि पाकिस्तानी लड़कियां बहुत सुंदर होती हैं. We mention sometimes कि बहुत सुंदर होते हैं उस साइड की पंजाबी लड़कियां, ये लड़कियां, even कश्मीरी.
मैं तो पंजाबियों के साथ
चुप रहे.
I mean, they are very nice people, but वो भी बहुत वो होते हैं, who are part. जैसे if I have friends who are Punjabis, है ना, और मैं उनके लिए for their family I'm their kid, so they have that opinion कि yes, she's pretty and all, ऐसे and I come from a good family and they come from a good family, तो ठीक है, okay. But even so many people are there, they will be like, चाय ना पिया करो, कॉफी नहीं पीना, ये नहीं वो नहीं, ऐसे करके, बिकॉज अरे काली हो जाएगी एंड ऑल. एंड वहाँ पर क्या बोलते हैं, फेयर होना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दे डू एवरीथिंग जस्ट टू नॉट गेट टैन. मैं अपने घर पे जाके बीच में पड़ी रहती हूँ टैन ऐसे करके.
हम इतना ज़्यादा स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, ये सब. वी आर थिंकिंग कि भाई ये कितना सुंदर है, शुड आई पोस्ट दैट कंटेंट. अगर मैं पोस्ट करूँगी तो मेरे को तो गालियाँ पड़ेंगी.
ये सब चीज़ें I would have started long back if I had the confidence, because you always see certain people in the Instagram, you're like, oh my god, she's so pretty.
Yeah.
And it happens when you yourself compare with the big celebrities also, because unko what they did lot of surgeries, they did lot of treatments and everything to fit in a certain role also, ठीक है, because Bollywood अब ऐसे ही चलता है, you are pretty, you are fair and we'll take you, we'll cast you, ठीक है, बिकॉज उन लोगों ने पहले नॉर्मलाइज कर दिया होता ब्राउन स्किन इज द हीरोइन, ये वो करके, तो अभी तक ये सब चीज़ें हम करी भी नहीं रहे होते, हमारे सब नॉर्मल होता. यू गो टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस, नो, वेयर पीपल अप्रिशिएट योर ब्राउन स्किन. आउटसाइड पीपल अप्रिशिएट योर कलर. बीइंग ब्राउन दे विल बी गो क्रेजी, ओह माय गॉड शी इज सो हॉट ब्रो, यू आर डेटिंग सच अ हॉट चिक, ऐसे करके. बट इन इंडिया लाइक ओह माय गॉड कितनी काली है, तो इसको क्यों डेट कर रहा है, क्या पसंद आया तेरे को उसमें.
पीपल विल सपोर्ट ब्लैक लाइव्स मैटर, लेकिन अपने घर में ही अपनी बहन को बोल देंगे भाई भाई
क्या मैंने रखा है, क्या काली लग रही है,
और कलर मैच नहीं कर रहा.
या इवन पता है आई कुडंट वेयर सर्टेन क्लोथ्स लाइक वाइट, तो मैं अभी भी नहीं पहन पाती हूँ, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है ओह माय गॉड आई लुक सो डार्क इनटू इट, ये वो ऐसे करके. आई थिंक देयर आर ब्रांड्स जो अभी ब्राउन स्किन फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स निकाल रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई फे ब्यूटी एंड ब्राउन करके एक है, and there are I think Elf also getting the good products out जो कि brown skin friendly है. There are brands who are trying to get, you know, because in India there are variety of shades from Kashmir to है ना, from बिल्कुल fair से लेके बिल्कुल dark shades तक भी इंडिया में है, तो उसके लिए product निकालना है something crazy. I love it. तो I think brands are pushing, few brands are pushing कि you know they normalize it and all, ये वो करके. बट इन मैरिजेस होता है ना, ऐसे आप शेड कुछ हो एंड आपको 4 गुना वाइट पेंट कर दिया जाता है.
वही हम देखते हैं ना बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वाला ट्रांजिशन, भाई क्या. देन इन कमेंट्स देयर आर सम मेन हु लाइक पार्लर्स को बंद करा देना चाहिए, धोखाधड़ी हो रही है हमारे लड़कों के साथ, ये सब ऐसा.
बट इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ यू ओनली, नो, you push the fair skin इतना ज़्यादा, now that people feel so insecure in their own skin कि उनको लगता है being fair is everything, कि मैं अपने आप को पेंट कर लेती हूँ that guy will like me. वो बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें आ गया है कि validation सीख करने लग गए certain point के बाद. All these years I was so insecure, ठीक है, कि भाई I am brown and all ऐसे करके. But now I am very comfortable in my own skin and ये मैंने बहुत टाइम से you know struggle करने के बाद I'm like fuck you bro, I don't want to be fair, I am this and I'm very happy, this is my skin, I'm very pretty.
You are not here to impress anyone, right?
Yeah, मुझे validate ही नहीं करना, तुम्हें नहीं पसंद आ रहा भाड़ में जाओ,
मत देखो, आंखें बंद करो, घर में चुप जाओ,
चले जाओ. I don't wanna वो only. Yes, you know what, my how I started liking my own self, I was very insecure and then one of my friend, I'll take her name also, her name is Ananya. So she is the one who introduced me to makeup also, and she used to push me a lot कि भाई what the fuck, people love your skin outside and here you're getting uncomfortable and all ऐसे करके. So she started pushing me and all, and then I have very good people back home in Chandigarh, okay, so I'll take few names, Rupakshi, Shivangi, Asha, so they're like bro just fuck the world, do whatever you want and wear the certain clothes you like and be happy about it. So from there, जब you have certain people around you, know, who push you, तो आपको अच्छा लगता है. तो फिर तब से मैं थोड़ी हुई कि हाँ भाई fuck everyone, I have people who love me, I'll do whatever I want, and from there I started accepting myself. And
big
here
shout
I
out
am.
to all those people who motivated Monisha to make some content and and gave some chance to us to worship her.
So yes, so if you're also feeling uncomfortable in your own skin, don't be, you're very pretty. It's just that the people you're surrounded by are bad, so change your circle, be with the people who support you, who are always there,
who appreciate you.
Yeah, like how Shalini does and even Lucky does.
Don't try to fit in that environment ki I have to change, I have to be like those people, I want to be that cool. So don't be like that.
Don't be one
you
of the
are
cool
pretty
kids.
and you are handsome.
Yeah, so yes,
be you.
Yes, we are going to end this session
Yeah.
here with a fair girl and a brown girl. and we love each other a lot.
Yes.
And if you like this video, please आप अपने comments इस channel में drop करना, share your stories,
Don't forget to subscribe.
like, comment and share. Please share your views also in the comment section.
Yeah.
Bye.